Hello, my name is Fergal Boyle. I'm Principal of Coláiste Dún Rí. Thank you for taking the time to look at this short video in advance of our open evening on Tuesday the 10th of October. I have a short presentation here to tell you a little bit about the school. This will serve as the principal's address, and it will save you time on the evening that you'll get an opportunity to see as much of the school as possible within the time frame of your tour. So, Coláiste Dún Rí in Kingscourt, we are a new school established in 2016, and on Tuesday night for our tour, we have the following format. So we have asked parents and 6th class students to book a tour on our website. So the tours will begin at 6:30 for students from St Joseph's Kingscourt, St Joseph's Corley and Carrickleck National School, and then at 8 p.m. for all other students and schools. There is car parking at the community centre, and we will guide you through to the main school entrance. You will get an opportunity to visit a range of subjects such as art, engineering, wood technology, science, home ec, music, and so on. And you will have guided tours with teachers and students on that evening. In each room you will get a 5-minute presentation on the various subjects and about the school, including a meeting with myself. So it'll give you a little snapshot of the school on the evening, and the final part then will be just some tea and coffee and buns in the PE hall, where you will get a musical recital by our music department for our upcoming musical Grease. Now, just a reminder that our subject sampling morning takes place on Saturday the 7th of October. So we ask students to be here for 8:45 a.m. and you can also have a virtual tour of the school on our website. Now, the ethos of Coláiste Dún Rí, we consulted with students, parents and the various partnership to define our ethos in the last 12 months. So we aspire, to have an ethos where we have excellence in education, respect, care, equality and community. And they are the guiding core values that we work by. Now, within that, we have our aims, and that's obviously to grow our ethos and live by that commitment. Also to provide a high quality academic and social education for our learners in their school. Our school motto is learners today, leaders tomorrow, and we aim to live by that. So we want to build confident and competent leaders for the future, and of course to work with parents and students in a spirit of partnership during their time in school. Now, our process for enrolment and assessment, our admissions notice is available on our website, coláistedunanrí.ie. This year we have reduced the number of places we have available to 120. So we're asking you to complete the online enrolment form, and we ask you to do that. If you wish to have a paper copy, please request that from the office. Now, the closing date for enrolment is the 23rd of October, and we will make offers of placement by the 13th of November. Now, our assessment morning will take place in early December, and we will give you more information about that closer to the time. Now, the academic supports in Coláiste Dún Rí, all classes are mixed ability in first year, with banding of Irish, English and Maths from second year on, and this allows students to maximise their performance at their own ability level. We have our system of tutors and year heads to help support students. We have academic monitoring, our guidance counselling provision, study skill services. We do our subject sampling and options, obviously for first years in advance, but then as students move forward into TY, they get to sample each subject in TY. We have our pastoral care programme in the school, which is part of our wellbeing programme as well, and that includes our anti-bullying policy and programme. So you can see that on our website. We have our additional education needs provision, and that includes our ASD class in the LEAP Centre. And as students move through the school, they get various opportunities and benefits, such as when they're in 6th year, they get opportunities to apply for scholarships and bursaries to bring them to 3rd level universities. Now, our academic monitoring, this is a process whereby we monitor and track the academic performance of students over their 6 years in the school. We were the first school in Cavan Monaghan to employ this system, and it monitors students' performance in exams. It will indicate their potential, allow us for target setting. If we need to put in interventions, we can do that. And it does keep students and parents informed about how they're progressing. So you can see on the example I have there, looking at English results, we have a student there, they're above their potential, so that's the green. They're above the potential in 6 of their exams, and they were below their potential in 2. So you can see in both cases where they were below their potential, they were able to improve their subsequent results. Our educational programmes here in the school, we have the junior cycle of course with our core subjects of Irish, English, Maths and History. Then we have our short courses, our wellbeing subjects and our optional subjects. In senior cycle, we have the Leaving Cert established and the Leaving Cert applied. And then students and parents have the option to participate in the TY programme in 4th year. So it's an optional programme and students can do that. Now, our subject choice for 1st year, students are asked to select 4 subjects to study for 1st year. So select 2 subjects from option band, French, geography or business. So they select 2 and carry them forward for junior cycle. And then 2 subjects from option band 2. So art, graphics, home ec, engineering, geography, woodwork or music. And that gives students a very broad educational base to prepare them for Leaving Cert. So they pick 2 from each band and study 4 of those subjects in 1st, 2nd and 3rd year. Now we have a wide-ranging extracurricular programme. Those of you familiar with the school will know that. So that includes sports for boys and girls, soccer, Gaelic football, basketball, badminton, equestrian, handball. All of those sports are available here in the school. But we also have various clubs such as book club, music club, art club, maths, French club, science club, coding, chess club and games club. So a lot of things happening. We also give our students the opportunity to participate in STEM competitions such as the Young Scientist and Sci-Fest. Our business students get the opportunity to present or to participate in the enterprise competition. We have various trips and tours throughout the school year, and every student will get the opportunity to have an international tour during their time in Coláiste Dún and Ree. So for example, our TYs are going skiing this year in Andorra, and our 2nd years are going on a trip to Italy. Now, we also have our choir and our upcoming musical, as I mentioned already. So a lot of extracurricular activities to meet the social and holistic development of students in the school. We also have student leadership and student voice in the school. Students have an input into their lessons. We have our student council system with class representatives. We have our senior prefect system, including our head boy and head girl, and they have a valuable voice and input into the running of the school. And we do reward success, and you can see one of our students here, Caleb Kiley, who was our Student of the Year last year, getting his award. We have our Learning Support Department, which is a school-wide learning support department. It targets student needs within classes and provides for further interventions, and if that needs to take place in a smaller or one-to-one setting, we can do that. Our LEAP Centre supports students in our ASD classes. So for a student to enrol in our ASD class, they need to have a psychological report stating explicitly that a place in the ASD class is required and essential. For other students who may have additional education needs, a report is very helpful, but not always necessary. Now, we also employ a positive code of behaviour here where we reward good behaviour and we commend and praise students for their good behaviour. And that gets recorded on VSware for parents to see. Our code of behaviour is available on the website, and enrolment in the school is an acceptance of our code of behaviour. So it does acknowledge the positive behaviours of our students, but also gives us the scope and structure to address negative behaviours and employ a culture of restorative practice whereby students become positive contributors to the school environment. Now, our learning outcomes, obviously, exam results are hugely important for students and students progressing to college, apprenticeships, PLCs, or the world of work. Now, we have had 2 years of Leaving Cert results. I'm delighted to say that the results have been excellent over the 2 years in both the LCA and the Leaving Cert, with students achieving H1s in all subjects and above the national average in many departments. We have students achieving over 600 points, and our LCA students are getting the highest results in the Northeast. So we're very happy with that. But alongside that, we are delighted that our students are developing socially and holistically as they go through the school, and that they feel happy and cared for here in the school. So that's our school in a nutshell. We do aspire to our ethos. We're looking for excellence in everything in education, and that's the social and academic development of students. Our care of our students and our students' care of each other, equality for our students, respect across the school community, and again the community, and to build a community here that students can take ownership of and that students feel comfortable in, and build positive relationships between students and teachers and the school and home. So thank you for taking the time to look at this short presentation. If you have any questions on the evening, please feel free to take the opportunity to ask them. If you don't get the opportunity on the evening time, you can ask them at another stage by contacting the school. So thank you very much. I look forward to seeing you on Tuesday evening, and hopefully you will enjoy the evening. So thank you very much.